Language documentation is the process by which a language is documented from a documentary linguistics perspective. It aims to provide a comprehensive record of the linguistic practices characteristic of a given speech community. Language documentation seeks to create as thorough a record as possible of the speech community for both posterity and language revitalization. Language documentation also provides a firmer foundation for linguistic analysis, in that it creates a citable set of materials in the language on which claims about the structure of the language can be based. Methods. Typical steps involve recording, transcribing, often using the International Phonetic Alphabet, and / or a practical orthography made up for that language, annotation, and analysis, translation into a language of wider communication, archiving and dissemination. Critical to the project of language documentation is the creation of good records in the course of doing language description. These materials can be archived, though not all archives are equally adept at handling language materials preserved in varying technological formats, nor are they all equally accessible to potential users. Language documentation complements language description, which aims to describe a language's abstract system of structures and rules in the form of a grammar or dictionary. By preparing good documentation in the form of recordings with transcripts, and then collections of texts and a dictionary, the linguist can do their own work better and can also provide materials for use by speakers of the language. New technologies permit better recordings with better descriptions, all of which can be housed in digital archives like AILLA or PARADISEC and made available to the speakers with little effort. Language documentation has also given birth to new specialized publications, such as the online journal Language Documentation and Conservation, and the yearbook working paper series Language Documentation and Description. Types of language description. Language description, as a task within linguistics, may be divided into separate areas of specialization, including phonetics, the study of the sounds of human language; phonology, the study of the sound system of a language; morphology, the study of the internal structure of words; syntax, the study of how words combine to form grammatical sentences; semantics, the study of the meaning of words, lexical semantics, and how these combine to form the meanings of sentences; historical linguistics, the study of languages whose historical relations are recognizable through similarities in vocabulary, word formation, and syntax; pragmatics, the study of how language is used by its speakers; stylistics, the study of style in languages; paroemiography, the collection of proverbs and sayings. Related research areas: descriptive linguistics; orthography, the study of writing systems; lexicography, the study and practice of making dictionaries; phonology, the study of describing the sound system of a language; etymology, the study of how words acquire their meanings; anthropological linguistics; language archiving,